Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Jamaica's hopes of playing in the football competition at the 2020 Olympic Games have been dashed as they failed to beat St. Kitts and Nevis and were eliminated at the CONCACAF preliminary group stage, which was held at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex.
Everyone knew where the journey would take them, but it seemed that there wasn't a clue as to how to get there. It was a clueless ride from the beginning as they fumbled around and lost their way. And it's not like the signs weren't there. They were just ignored by those who went close. It was all about the Jamaicans, but not that St. Kitts and Nevis were perturbed, as they had things under control. And they didn't look like losing it, not even when Nicu Daly broke the deadlock. With the goal, the Jamaicans thought it was the moment that would change things forever. Well, they thought wrong, as St. Kitts and Nevis were back on level terms early in the second half, Giovanni Lake silencing the gathering. It meant the goal-shy Jamaicans would have to score again, but that was their Achilles heel. And as the game went on, it just never seemed likely that they were going to score. At least Jamaican fans got a chance to see Kyle Butler for the first time. Maybe he should have been given a longer run. With the game winding down, Lake should have added more to the Jamaicans' misery. St. Kitts and Nevis even got the last chance of the game, but it wasn't needed as the final whistle came much to the disappointment of the Jamaicans, but joy for their opponents as the Olympic dream was what it is.
First of all, we have to apologize to the fans, apologize to the sponsors. The result wasn't what we expected. It wasn't what we wanted, but the lads, they did their best.
And Coach Donovan Duke knows the buck stops with him.
We didn't produce the goods, and this is what football is about. I take full responsibility for the team not producing the goods, and it's football.
Going into the game, Coach Earl Jones vowed to end the Jamaicans' hoodoo of eliminating them from various competitions, and he got it spot on.
Yeah, we had to deliver, because why? I had to back my chat. And the guys, them, once I said the guys, they moved, I tell them move, they're going to move. You know what I mean? I've pumped my energy to them. I mean, yes, very emotional coach. Everybody got a style, and this is my style. It works, always get results, and I mean, yeah, because Jamaica is Jamaica. St. Kitts Nevis, small Twin Island Federation, and we have to step up at some point. And this is the turning point for us.
As for the journey to Tokyo, that's something the Jamaicans can find by Google search. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.